We would first like to have three photo ops. So for our first photo op here on stage, we'll first have our speakers and performers, to then be followed by the speakers, performers, PRM team, and our friends at Hypofil. And our last photo op will be with everyone. So just three photo ops. So first up, our speakers and performers, please get on stage for a photo op.
Yeah, and then afterwards, let's request photo for everyone if that's okay with you guys, so that we can, share your valuable input. Thank you. Go ahead. Thank you, thank you.
And one last photo op with everybody.
So, sir, paano? Dito na lang.
Dito na lang tayo na, tapos closer na lang tayo.
Alright, so can we request everyone to find your happy place, I guess? Mamaya. Okay. Para yung may marinig. Sige, go ahead, please. And then afterwards, with the Hypofil team, of course, we wanted to take photo. Find your happy place, go ahead, go ahead. Sige po. Yeah.
Find your height, ma'am.
Alright. Everyone, we request... Alright, so sir, okay na for our photographers?
You cannot see the photographer.
Alright, game, sir? Photographer?
Muna, dito, sa kanila po muna para di.
Sa kanila daw.
Compress po tayo, compress po. Alright, ready, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sa cellphone naman po, sir, okay lang makikita ako kasi kita dyan.
Okay,
Okay, sige, dito po muna, habang wala tayo. 3, 2, 1. One more, big smile, and 3, 2, 1. Yeah, bigger heart lang yun. 3, 2, 1, last one, alright. Sa phone naman, sa phone naman.
Excuse me. Ay, pa sa phone.
Ano mo nakita?
Parang
Po sa cellphone. Thank you po.
baka na po.
Okay, ready, smile. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, finger heart na ulit.
Finger heart. Yan. Alright, thank you po. Please. Okay, doon naman po. Tingin po sa maganda.
Alright, with that, thank you so much everyone. Again, we appreciate your time. For any one of you guys who have questions, you may approach me. And the night is young, so we've mentioned earlier that music is the core of our discussion for today. So for any one of you guys who wanted to say, please welcome Hypofil and PRM on the stage. Hypofil muna po, picture tayo para lahat tayo may kasama. Thank you so much.